What up, y'all? It's your boy Brian back again with another sneaker video. And today we got a really good one. Because, I mean, it's the first win of the year for me on Raffle. If you've seen the title, we're looking at the Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. Boom. Here we have it. Literally fresh out of the box. You can see that the laces aren't even tied on there yet. I am so excited for this one. I won a raffle on a UK site on N Clothing. And I really wanted these ones, and I didn't think I was gonna be able to get them. And I wouldn't pay the resale price for these ones for sure, because I think they're going for probably like $500-600, and I was like, no way. Joined a lot of raffles, won this one. The only downfall is that it came from the UK, and once it got here to Canada, I had to pay about $96 in taxes and fees. That's almost a pair of another shoes, but that's besides the point. Let's get into the shoe itself. I mean, from all the pictures I've seen, I really wanted to see it, and I saw some early reviews, and they look real nice. And when it showed up, I was hoping that, I was so worried that I would get disappointed, but they nice. They're real nice. Enough talking, let's dive into the shoe. Starting at the outsole, we got just a gray bottom, which is really nice, just clean. Moving to the midsole, just a white midsole. Fortunately, I got a little bruise there out of the box. Onto the upper, it's a mixture of this distressed wash blue suede feeling material, which is nice. It feels nice on hand, with the white leather on the toe box in the mid, and also a gray leather swoosh. That's a suede material, just regular suede but not washed. And of course you got that white Jordan logo on the wings. Moving on to the tongue, just the usual nylon tongue with the blue Air Nike logo on there. So overall, it is beautiful. I will have some on-feet shot putting up maybe like right now. Yeah, I think these ones just look so sick. It's so easy to wear. You can wear with anything. You know, what can I say? This one feels nice too, but not as nice. Not as nice as the mochas that I have. Those ones, when you touch them, it just feels like, ooh, it feels premium. This one just looks real nice. Like, it's nicer than the other Jordans, but I wouldn't say like it's especially nice over all the other ones. Yeah, but I don't. What more can I say? I can't believe I won the raffle for these ones here. So, yeah, I'm hyped. What do you think about these? Are these overhyped? Do you love them as well? Would you want to pay resale price for these ones, or you also got lucky like I did? Comment in this. Drop a comment in the section below. And as usual, I have more content coming up. Hopefully we'll win more Hype Shoes raffle, and stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.